Register Jack 45, or RJ45, was created in 1970 by Bell System. Here, 45 means a specific wiring pattern and pinout. The first register jack was RJ11, which was designed for telephone lines. As Ethernet became popular in the 1980s, the RJ45 began to be used for computer networking. The RJ45 has an 8P8C connector, which means 8 positions, 8 contacts. In 8P8C, 8 individual wires twisted into 4 pairs. There are 2 main wiring standards for RJ45 Ethernet cables. One is T568A, and another is T568B. Here you can see the difference between T568A and T568B. Here you can also see the different cable categories of RJ45, with speed and frequency. RJ45 cables are used in computers, routers, switches, and modems, etc.